Hi guys! In this video, I will teach you how to download YouTube videos on Android or iOS. If you are new to this channel, please hit the like and the notification bell for more updates. The first thing you need to do is you need to download and install the SnapTube app on your phone. So let's open your phone's browser and go to the SnapTube website, www.snaptube.com. Now click on the download button right here to download the SnapTube APK file. Once the download is complete, open the APK file and follow the installation instructions. Now, open the app and you will see the main screen with a search bar. There are two ways in downloading videos on SnapTube. The first one is downloading it through a link. To do that, go back to your home screen and click on YouTube. When you find the video you want to download, for example this one right here, click on it to open the video page. Now, click on what it says, Share, right about here. And then click Copy Link to copy the link of the video. Once you're done, go back to SnapTube and then paste the link you just copied on the search bar right here, and then press Enter. As you can see, it will play your video. You will see a download button below the video player. Click on it and select the video quality you want to download. You can also choose an option to download it as MP3 or MP4. Now, I will teach you the second way. Go back to your YouTube app. And in here, click the Share button again. Scroll down a bit, and then click on what it says, SnapTube. It will also show a menu to download your video without opening your SnapTube app directly. To check the download progress, go back to SnapTube and go ahead and click on the My Files icon on the bottom of the screen. You will see a list of all the videos you are currently downloading, along with their progress status. Once the download is complete, you can find the video in your phone's gallery or the SnapTube Downloads folder. So that's basically it. For more videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.